who were expected to
our own, let's say, understand. I have.
I cannot. Obviously, one can go back to the partition of Bengal in 1905 and then the subsequent radicalization, partly induced and subsequently how the founding, let's say, thinkers of Pakistan smelt an opportunity in creating, let's say, a specific enclave out of that particular place. And let's not forget that West Bengal today is adjacent to East Pakistan, okay, or erstwhile East Pakistan. So there are very good reasons. But the fact remains that post independence, while we have focused on illegal migration in Assam, the fact is two other states have borne the brunt of illegal migration along with Assam. One is Tripura and the other is West Bengal. Okay. Most people don't even talk about Tripura when they speak of illegal migration, when in fact that state has borne the brunt of it. That's one of the reasons that BJP is in power in Tripura also. Okay. As far as West Bengal is concerned, at least since the 70s, there is a clear history of the left pampering illegal migrants of a specific demographic, okay, and trying to create a vote bank out of it, okay, and giving them ration cards and whatnot. In fact, the current chief minister was among the vocal voices who opposed the settlement of these illegal migrants. But ultimately, when they came to power, ultimately most people realized that they need this vote bank for them to survive. Because now you're looking at a demographic of anywhere between 27 to 30%, not all of which can be accounted by the fertility rates in Bengal of a particular community. It is artificially induced. It has been artificially increased in spite. That is the nature of this entire thing. Okay. Now that you've reached the critical figure of 27 to 30%, I think we are seeing a tipping point. Now we'll start seeing worse things. In fact, I think about 2 or 3 years ago, there were petitions in the High Court asking for the High Court to grant them permission to initiate what Durga processions, celebration processions, because the state government had actually banned it because it would obviously hurt a few sentiments. Similar petitions now we see in Madras High Court because apparently a Hanuman Jayanti procession or any other procession can't go through sensitive areas because apparently some of these processions are called festivals and celebration of sins by a certain community. Okay, so therefore, in Bharat, the land of dharma, celebration of dharma has become celebration of sin because a certain identity has a serious problem with it. Now, in Bengal, what has happened is, at least over the last 3.5 to 4 years, I would say that the current chief minister has mollycoddled and pampered and emboldened these interests so much that I think this was waiting to happen. It's a sad thing that the center and the party which contested so vigorously in Bengal did not anticipate this. And even if they anticipated it, I don't think they did enough to ensure that their supporters have some means of protecting themselves after the elections. Because surely it can't be anybody's case that anybody who contests an election can be absolutely sure of his victory. Okay, be it in litigation or in elections, nobody can be sure of it.